Hi guys, this is Alvin from black2b.com, and today we are doing a quick unboxing of the TP-Link Neffos X9, the latest smartphone from TP-Link. So right now, let's cut open the box and let's take a look of the TP-Link Neffos X9. So the X9 is actually the latest smartphone from TP-Link. It comes with a 30 megapixel dual camera setup. It comes with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of onboard storage. It has an 18.9 full view display with a HD plus resolution. It's actually an IPS panel, so you get really good viewing angles, and it also supports AI face unlock. So this is the power brick, a pretty standard power brick. There's no fast charging with this phone, so you're only left with normal standard charging. This is actually the micro USB cable. It doesn't support USB Type-C though, but it's fine since this is the budget phone and it doesn't support fast charging. So TP-Link also included a 3.5mm headphone. So the headphone is actually look quite similar to the Apple EarPods design, but I like the fact that TP-Link actually included a headphone despite this is the budget phone model. So this is the micro USB cable. There's no Type-C here, so it's only micro USB. And this is the included box of accessories. You got a SIM injection pin. This is the safety notice. This is the warranty notice, and of course it also comes with a quick start guide, which is basically the user manual. So after this, Neffos included a case, a transparent soft case, because it may be hard to get a case for this new phone, and it also comes with a screen protector. So this is the phone itself. As you can see, the back and the front of the phone is actually protected by a clear plastic film. So let's take it off now. Right, so once the film is off, you can actually see the aluminium body of the Neffos X9. It's actually pretty good to the touch. It's quite cold because it's aluminium and it's quite shiny. You got a bit of shiny feel. And this is the front of the phone. And once you remove the screen protector, you can see the really nice 18.9 full view display. So now let's try to boot up the phone. So there's the fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone. So despite this phone comes with the AI face unlock, it also supports fingerprint scanner. As you can see, the 3.5mm headphone jack is actually on top of the phone and the micro USB port bottom. So as I said just now, this phone supports a dual camera setup. It has a 13 megapixel dual camera setup and also a dual tone flash. So that's all. Thank you for watching.